What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here now.
I'm Michael Corleone. This is my father. There's nobody here. What happened to the guards?
Your father just had too many visitors. They interfered with hospital service. The police made them leave about 10 minutes ago.
Get me a Long Beach 4, 560.
I thought I got all you guinea hoods locked up. What the hell are you doing here?
What happened to the men who were guarding my father?
Why, you little punk. What the hell are you doing telling me my business?
What's the Turk paying you to set up my father, Captain?
Take a hold of him. Stand him up. Stand him up straight.
Attorney for the Corleone family. These men are private detectives hired to protect Vito Corleone. They're licensed to carry firearms. If you interfere, you'll have to appear before a judge in the morning and show cause.
All right, let him go.
Come on. I found out about this Captain McCluskey who broke Mike's jaw.
What about him?
Now, he's definitely on Solazzo's payroll and for big money. See? McCluskey has agreed to be the Turk's bodyguard. What you have to understand, Sonny, is that while Solazzo is being guarded like this, he is invulnerable. Now, nobody has ever gunned down a New York police captain, never. It would be disastrous. All the 5 families would come after you, Sonny. The Corleone family would be outcast. Even the old man's political protection would run for cover. So do me a favor. Take this into consideration. All right, wait.
Can't wait. Can't wait. I don't care what Solazzo says about a deal. He's going to kill Pop. That's it. That's a key for him. Gotta get Solazzo.
Mike is right. Let me ask you something, McCluskey. What about this McCluskey? Huh? What do we do with this copy?
They want to have a meeting with me, right? It will be me, Husky, and Solazzo. Let's set the meeting. Get our informers to find out where it's going to be held. Now, we insist it's a public place, a bar, a restaurant, someplace where there's people so I feel safe. They're going to search me when I first meet them, right? So I can't have a weapon on me then. But if Clemenza can figure a way to have a weapon planted there for me, then I'll kill them both.